Okay.
Hello friends, welcome into the RKG Knowledge House. Okay, now today we will see our next experiment, how to implement half subtractor and full subtractor on a IC trainer kit. So in theory lecture, we already conducted all the information related with the half subtractor as well as full subtractor. So first we will see what is meant by half subtractor. Okay, so what is meant by half subtractor? The half subtractor is also one of the building block of subtracting two binary numbers. Whenever we people want to subtract any two binary numbers, at that time we people should go with the half subtractor. Okay, it has two inputs and two outputs. So the circuit is used to subtract two single bit binary numbers. Half subtractor, the circuit, those are used to subtract two single bit binary number A and B is called as a half subtractor. Okay, so whenever we are subtracting two bit numbers A and B, finally we are getting the output in terms of difference and borrow. Okay, these are the two different outputs we are getting whenever we are go with the half subtractor. Means what here? A and B are nothing but the inputs and difference and borrow are nothing but the outputs. Okay, if you consider the logical circuit diagram, okay, this is the logical circuit diagram of half subtractor. So, and this is the truth table of half subtractor. Now, if the number is 2 bit, means what? How many possible combinations are there? Two possible combinations are there. Okay, 0 0, 1 0, 0 1 and 1 1. And we are getting the output in terms of difference and borrow. Now, if both the inputs are 0 0, we are getting the difference 0 and borrow is also 0 as per our subtraction rule. Now, if the input is 1 and second input is 0, then we are getting the difference 1 and borrow is nothing but 0. The third condition, the most important condition in half subtractor, if the input A is 0 and input B is 1, means what? If there is a 0 1 condition is there, at that time only we are getting the difference 1 and borrow is 1. Clear? And the final condition, if both the inputs A and B are 1 1, we are getting the difference 0 and borrow 0. Clear? Means what? If you concentrate on the output, okay, we people analyze like that. This is the one of the output of some of the gate. So which gates are there? So here, this is the output of XOR gate. Means we are getting the difference on XOR gate and we are getting the borrow on AND gate connected with the NOT gate, means simply NAND gate. But we are not directly use the NAND gate due to some disadvantage. That's why we are directly use only the NOT gate connected with the AND gate for the purpose of demonstrating the half subtractor. Now here logic diagram is there. How many gates are totally required to demonstrate this half subtractor? 3 gates are required. Which are they? XOR gate, NOT gate and AND gate. Okay, how exactly it will be connected? Now input A and B is connected to the XOR gate, which is produces some sort of the output is called as difference. Means what? On XOR gate we are getting the difference. Now input A is connected to the NOT gate first. It is connected to the NOT gate first, and the output those are produced by the NOT gate, it will be connected as one of the input of AND gate. Clear? And input B is directly connected to the second input of AND gate. Clear? So finally the output those are generated by the AND gate, it will be referred as a borrow. Means what? We are getting the borrow on an AND gate connected with the NOT gate, and we are getting the difference on XOR gate. Okay. So this is the overall explanation related with the half subtractor. So there is some of the drawbacks related to the half subtractor. Which is the drawback? The drawback is like that it's only used to subtract only two numbers. So how to overcome such a drawbacks? For that purpose, we people should use the full subtractor. Full subtractor, the half subtractor used to subtract only two numbers. That's why to overcome this problem, a full subtractor was designed. Okay, what do you mean by full subtractor? The full subtractor is used to subtract three 1-bit numbers. Whenever we people want to subtract three 1-bit numbers like A, B and C, we people should go with the full subtractor. Clear? So the full subtractor has a 3 input state like A, B and borrow in state, and which is having the 2 output state, that is difference and borrow. Okay, so if you consider that full subtractor logic diagram, we people should analyze like that. How many total gates are required? Okay, now we see first the truth table of full subtractor. Here 3 inputs are there, A, B and C. C is nothing but our one of the borrowing input is there. Okay, if the 3 input if the 3 inputs are there, means what, simply we people having 2 raised to 3 8 different combinations are there, which is started from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. It is from 0 to 7. Okay, and finally we are getting the output in terms of difference and borrow. Clear? If all the inputs are 0, we are getting difference 0, borrow 0. Now condition is like that, 0 0 1. Now as per our subtraction rule, 0 0 0 0 1 1. Difference is 1, borrow is 1. Next condition, 0 1 0 1 1. 0 1 means what here? Difference is 1, borrow is 1. Now 0 1 1 1 0, as it is, difference is 1, borrow is 1. Here next 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0, means what, we are getting the difference 0 but borrow is 1. And similarly for all other gates, so we will see what exactly for all other gates. Okay, for all other gates, okay, here the condition is like that, 1 0 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 0 1, difference is 0, borrow is 0. 1 1 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. And finally, if all the inputs are 1, 1 1 0, 0 1 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1. Clear? This is the overall truth table of 3 input full subtractor. Clear? So if you see the logical diagram, definitely we people having the idea how many gates are required. Totally 4 gates are required. Which are they? 2 XOR gate is required, 2 AND gate is required, 2 NOT gate is required, and 1 OR gate is required. Clear? So if you see this circuitry, this is nothing but our half subtractor. Whenever we are connected to half subtractor with OR gate, finally we are getting the full subtractor. Clear? Here all the things related to the inputs, outputs are specified in this diagram. Okay, accordingly we will connect it. And then our working functionality of full subtractor is we people going to see on a IC trainer kit. Okay, so first we are concerned on the how to connect half subtractor, okay, on a IC trainer kit. Half subtractor on IC trainer kit. Now this is our IC trainer kit. So for the purpose of doing half subtractor logic, how many gates are required totally? 3 gates are required. Which are they? The first one is the XOR gate. Clear? We are connected XOR gate over here. First is XOR gate. Second is nothing but NOT gate. Okay, so NOT gate is connected. And third is nothing but AND gate. Okay, AND gate is connected here. Now we are doing the connections. 2 pins are always reserved. 7 number pin is ground for XOR gate. Then 7 number pin is ground for NOT gate, and 7 number pin is ground for AND gate. Next, 14 number pin for VCC, 14 number pin for VCC and 14 number pin is for VCC. Clear? This is the initial setting. Those are required for each and every gate. Now A and B are the two input which are connected to the XOR gate. A, this is A input, then second number B input which is connected to the XOR gate, and output those are generated. The output those are generated on a XOR gate is nothing but our difference. So output is nothing but our 3 number pin. Now here I am getting the difference. Here I am getting the difference. Here I am getting the difference. Okay. Now next connection, the input A means what our input A is connected to the input A. Input A is connected to the NOT gate, and output those are generated by the NOT gate is connected to the AND gate. Now here the input A is connected to the NOT gate. Clear? And the output those are generated. Output, the 2 number pin, which knows betterly, 1 number pin is for input, 2 number pin is for output in a NOT gate, is directly connected to the AND gate. This is the one of the input of AND gate. Clear? And now the second input B is directly connected to the AND gate. So second number of input here, second number of input is directly connected to the AND gate. Clear? And so finally we are getting the output on AND gate. We are getting the output as a borrow. I am connected over here. Borrow means what? Here I am getting the borrow and here I am getting the difference. Clear? Now we will check the functionality. If both the inputs are 0, now consider on the truth table. If both the inputs are 0, 0, okay, difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Clear? Now if both the inputs are 0, 0, see 0, 0, difference is 0, borrow is 0. Next condition 1, 0. Now here, now see, if the input is 1 and second input is 0, then we are having the difference 1, borrow 0. Clear? Now see here, this pin is 1, we are getting difference 1, borrow 0. Clear? Now most important condition in a half subtractor is nothing but 0, 1. Whenever 0, 1 condition is there, okay, we are getting both the difference as well as borrow 1, 1. Clear? So here 0 and here 1, we are getting both the difference and borrow 1, 1. Clear? 0, 1, we are getting both the difference and borrow 1, 1. And the final condition, if both the inputs are 1, 1. If both the inputs are 1, 1, we are getting output 0, 0. Means what? Difference is 0, borrow is 0. Clear? In this way, we are successfully implemented half subtractor, as well as we are also connected another one of the half subtractor with the OR gate. Then definitely we are demonstrate our full subtractor also. Clear? So this is sufficient to do all the functionality related with our experiment. Thank you.